Alright guys and girls, after my wee video yesterday, thought I really need to get, not too much, a walk, just about 2 miles or so. But I managed to get some more berries, so those are, well, for anybody can guess, I'll give you a free one once they start growing. Quite easy actually, if you know. And these ones as well. So I'm going to try and grow them for seed as well. But my dad was being a nosy interfering bugger this morning, so I had to get out of the house. Just had to get out, so that spurred me on to get out and have a wee walk. Get some peace and quiet. Anyway, done the wee video before I hit the main road here. Right, have a lovely weekend, people.